Not as much as Beyonce, because if you look at Beyonce's way before pictures, when
Yeah,
she was with Destiny
like
Child, she was brown, right? And then she went through that treatment. Rihanna only did like one time. She said she did just to get in the industry, and it worked. So see how it is. Even to just get your name out there, you kind of almost gotta play the game. You know what I mean? Even though you don't want to, it sucks. But there's black girls that are in, black girls and women, I should say, that are in the industry now where they don't need to, do stupid shit like that anymore. They have their own brand.
Didn't Nicki Minaj do that?
Yep. Exactly. Got lighter. Cause she was brown.
I would never want to get lighter.
I don't.
Because I'm already white.
No, you're not white. That's something that you're programmed to say, and you're not. You're black. You have fair skin, but a little cold. Sorry, but you're not white.
I don't want to have fair skin.
Even white people don't like. Your mom's fair skin.
I know.
I think you have a little bit darker tint than she does.
Yeah, I know.
I think she's only darker because she's been sun and everything else. She's been living longer. But I'm pretty sure she was, because I've seen some pictures where she was lighter. I'm like, wait a minute. What happened? She's like, I've been in the sun, bitch. Benjamin, I've been in the sun.
Oh.
The accent. Like, call me now. Like, you are a bumbleclot. Now you know what that means. Your mom calls me that all the time.
She calls you with like your name?
Yeah, she calls me a bumbleclot.
Oh.
What does that mean? I know it can mean several things, but
yeah, it can.
I still don't know the
Depends
true
how you say it.
meaning. She probably called me an asshole or a dumb fuck or something.
I don't. Sure it is.
I know what it means. Curse words. But it's cool. She means it out of love, so. And it's not always going to be people that you deal with on the outside world that are mean. It sometimes can be your family. It could be really fucked up towards you. You just got to know how to
Why?
get
Because I'm
around
white?
them.
Lights?
No,
The lights?
No, just meaning that you're pretty or going to get like maybe boyfriend, girlfriends that they didn't have. Like my family, for instance, my uncles, they hate when me and my brother used to bring, back in our day, we would, high school, middle school, military, we would bring girls home, but our uncles would be home. This was in Chicago, and they hated the women we brought home because they were the girls that they wanted. You see what I'm saying? Like behind every jealousy is a reason behind it. No one hates on you just to hate. Just like, I wake up today, I just want to hate somebody. They're hating for a reason. Like you have something that they want. And it's always the case, pretty much. And so my own flesh and blood, you would think they'd be happy for me. They used to hate me because I dated this Puerto Rican girl, Crystal. Crystal, man, I should have married her. Jesus. But I was an idiot. I was too dumb to realize what I had. And when I brought her home, they were like, you gonna go out with that Puerto Rican girl again? Like, she black, Puerto Rican is black. But they will outcast
Oh,
somebody
she was
black there.
Afro-Latina? She was Afro-Latina?
But they'll, just because she's light skinned, they go against that in my family. It's weird. Like if I date somebody that's light skinned and she's pure African American, they will still find something wrong with it. Now if I date somebody that's too super dark, it's still a problem. It has to be like my exact brand. I'm like, I think this is crazy. Right. My uncles are like that. My aunts are like that too.
Well, I got her wrong.
But see how fucked that is? I mean, fucked up that it's weird. So that's the racism we deal with even in our own family. So even if I bring home somebody of different ethnicity, but they rich, it would still be the same fucking problem. And they could buy you a boat and they'll still hate the person. Stupid. So I love anybody. You buy me a boat, I'm like, yes.
My dad's darker than me. My dad's darker. But he's not even fully black, so.
What is it? Is he Jamaican or not Jamaican?
No, he's not Jamaican.
Like Panamanian or?
No, he's not Hispanic.
African?
Not that I know. No, he's No. I'm just saying no, and I didn't say anything. I don't know my real grandfather, but they said that he was Indian, black, and white.
Okay, there you go.
And my grandmother is Indian. I mean, she's not Indian. My grandmother is Filipino, white and black.
Great combinations. Great combinations make pretty people. So like you and your brother, you can tell like his hair, he's gonna be taller. You know what I mean? Like his hair grows out really, really nice. Me, I'm Negroid. I'm straight up black. You know what I mean? Like my hair comes out kinky. I have to put a processor in it if I want waves. It's crazy. But your hair is wonderful, so yeah, people are mixed. You're gonna have.
I don't consider myself mixed. I don't say I'm mixed.
Well, I mean, with mixed races, like how you just said, I have this, and that. He has
Oh,
like
that's
3
my
different
dad.
lineages. Yeah, so down the line, when he has kids, which are you guys, it spawns off of them or his ancestors onto him and then to you.
I'm mostly black though, so it's not like I'm because you know I'm only like 7% Filipino. That doesn't really count. I'm not gonna sit up here and say, "Oh, I'm bleaching." No.
So you're smart. You know your percentages. You know, right?
No,
so,
I actually don't. I'm just guessing.
Oh.
The most I could be is like 12%.
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty sure I'm not that. So.
You are who you are. If you're proud to be whoever you are, then that's what you're gonna be. Don't let nobody tell you what you are. Even if a white person wants to be black, hey, look, if you support our struggles and you want to live in the ghetto like me, then hey, by all means, go for it. Who am I to stop you? You know, as long as you're helping the community out, as long as you're not doing nothing crazy, then hey, do you. Yeah, but I'm glad you and Tyler get along with your mom to the best of your ability. Whatever that can be sometimes.
I feel like I get more into my dad now. It's not because it's not like cursing me out and stuff like that. It's just that I don't know. He just annoys me. I don't really talk to him.
I know. That's why I even stopped talking to her sometimes. That's why you guys don't see me all the time, because me and your mom get into it sometimes. Not bad, but enough to be like, you're going through something. Let you handle that, and I'll call you maybe a couple weeks from now. Because sometimes, your mom takes trips or goes somewhere. And I tell she needs her me time, so I try not to bug her. And that's what you have to do with some people, is just get out their way. Let them do what they gotta do. Like, yes sir, yes ma'am, and then move the fuck on. Even though it sucks, I know, but you'll be out of here one day. Soon, actually. Because you only got like 4 more years, 3 to 4. Like, come on, you'll be gone. Just gonna turn to the left. Perfect. Sorry, my stomach's growling.
I thought that was something else.
It's me. Hungry.
You know something I do a lot? I don't know why I do it. It's like when I'm talking to someone, I just start smiling.
It's good. That means you're at ease. It's like happy thoughts. It's good.
Or like if someone's like, "Oh, come try this food," I like they looking at me and I just start smiling. I'm like, "Oh yeah, it's good." I don't know why I do that.
It's a good thing. It means you're happy. You're at ease. Because if you were on guard, you would be frowning all the time and being evil. Some people are just evil all day for no damn reason. And they can have money, they can have the boyfriend, the girlfriend, whoever, still miserable. Still fucked up in the head. I don't know why. Me and your mom were talking about that earlier. Some miserable people. Because she got, graduated from the barber school. And she was talking about how the people at the school are still fucked up. They don't want to see me walk across the stage. People were saying shit behind her back. I'm like, yeah, Andrea, didn't I warn you? She was like, yeah, you were right. This was like months ago when I told her, I was like, no. When you graduate, when you get your license, people are not going to like you just because you're a new barber. Now you're competition. You're going to probably take somebody's job because plus you're cute. You're fine. You got the knowledge. Especially if you become a good barber, plus you're sexy. Those two, like beauty and the brains. So if you have both, oh yeah, people don't like you. Guaranteed. Because for one, you're smarter than them, and you can get you out of any situation. And then 2, you have the looks, which means anybody will hire you because a lot of employers, they look at looks. They look at this girl, she's gonna work my business even though she's super smart. She could be a boss, and I know she's gonna land different contracts or deals because of the way she looks. Because you know how most of us are superficial. We love to look at people, especially men. So they're gonna hire you, even though they know you're super smart, but they're probably hiring you because if I hired a guy, guys aren't that sexy to other clients. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I can't use him. Even though he's smart, fuck him. I need somebody who's gonna sell our business, and we can't. Mm-mm. And I would do the same thing if I have a good business. I'm gonna have the handsomest guys, the finest females, because yes, they're gonna act. People want to look beautiful. Like you, after a facial or even before facial, if I took a picture of you and like, hey, this is Tasha. She's in high school. This head cheerleader or head whatever, head football player, whatever you want to do, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And they're gonna look at you like, damn, okay, how is she doing her facial? So that would bring me business just because they want to look like you. Mm-hmm. You're the face of the company, basically, and that's what I would do for your mom. Yes. Sports massage video that I want to do coming up soon. I'm gonna use her because Andrea, she has a nice body. You know, men like someone who has hips and butt and thighs, and you know the game. You know, men are horny or men are dogs. But that's who watches these YouTube videos because they're just looking for something to watch because there's a girl on there. Now, females watch YouTube for what? Cosmetics or beauty to, yes, everything else. Like something to learn, something to actually make them look better. But men watch it because of the fine female. And they sell products that way. That's how you sell. So we're going to turn to the left all the way as much as possible.
Oh, yes?
Perfect. That's perfect. It's going to be a little cold. And so we got to use this time while we can, while your mom's happy. She got her massage to have our time because I know she didn't want you in Tyler.
Oh my gosh, what?
I want you to look at all of the food that I bought. Look,
Tyro, can you please leave me alone?
look.
Can you leave me alone? Boy! Tyro! See, he doesn't listen.
Can you give us like 10 more minutes? We'll be down there in just a minute, okay?